Hi, roller skaters of the world. Today I'm going to show a little trick that you can learn how to do with your butt, or with your body really, but it's called I've heard it called a sushi roll, and it's not super hard. If you can pump, you can learn this trick. So if you haven't learned how to pump, please check out the video we made about how to pump, because that's super important for skating on any kind of transition. You can practice this in a bowl, or if you have a half pipe or a mini ramp, or whatever you have available to you. So first I'm going to show the trick. I'm going to skate from this side over to the other side of the bowl and show the sushi roll, and then I'll explain it. All right?
Let's see it.
So here we go. I'll give you a little speed.
Uh-oh. Oh, cool.
So the main thing is, when you're doing this, you're gonna pump up to the ramp, or up toward the coping, I should say, and put your hands up on the coping or the deck, turn your body 180, and sit on the coping or the deck, all right? So I'm gonna kind of show that, try to show it a little slower so you can see what I mean. Break it down, as Kevin likes to say. So, skating up toward that transition. As I skate up, I pump up, jump onto my toe stops. Can you see how I'm on my toe stops?
Yeah, I can.
And both and the closer you get your toe stops toward the coping, the more you'll fly out.
Okay.
And then push into your arms and turn and sit.
Okay.
So I tend to turn left. Whichever way you turn naturally, do whatever feels natural to you. Once you're sitting up here, you're gonna make a half turn and go back in, fakie, or backwards, all right? So I tend to turn left. Whichever way you turn, pick your natural way. But I'm turning,
you reach across
putting my
like
hands on the coping or the deck, depending on how hot the coping is, but it's not super hot right now, and turning my body 180. Again, on those toe stops, the closer toward the coping you are, the more speed you'll have. And there's a kid going by, and then off we go. Woo, push away, right?
Yeah.
So it's really not a super difficult trick because it's low risk. If you mess up, you just sort of sit down, or if you fail, and you have knee pads on, you can just slide down the transition on your knee pads. So that's always a good idea. Of course, wear whatever safety gear that helps you feel comfortable and safe. So I'm gonna show it again rather slow, and then a little faster.
Let's see it.
All right.
Skaters in here wanting to skate, looks like.
All right, let's go.
Getting crowded in here. You're getting some speed.
Push on the toe stop, hands on the coping, turn 180, sit, turn 180, hands on the coping, push, and away.
Nice.
All right, I'll try again faster.
Okay. Here she goes. She's getting some speed.
You can even add a little leg cross for flair.
Nice. One more time.
Here we go, one more time.
Here she goes.
Sushi roll.
Nice.
Woo. All right, so hopefully that's something y'all can use. Please let us know. We'd love to hear your comments. And please like and subscribe. We also have started putting in the description of the videos down below links to products that we use or have used for roller skating that can be found on Amazon. So if you buy via those links, we get like a tiny little percentage. So we can't find everything that we use and like on Amazon, but the things that we can find, we'll be putting in the descriptions of the videos. So thank you all for watching, and we want to hear what you guys want to see next. Thanks.